Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these earrings. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is 2.5 mm. My slip knot. After slip knot, I will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now I will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Needle I am using is of 2.5 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, it is 2.5 mm needle. Okay, now due to joining those first and last stitch, we get a small tiny circle in between. It is small but it's big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, and please don't take that small free end of the yarn into your stitches. Now first we will make a chain crochet stitch, then we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. Okay, again we will yarn over, insert a needle from the tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You people can refer it. It's with written notes, slow demonstration is given. So quite easy to understand. Okay, the way we are making a half double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from that tiny circle, we have to make 10 half double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just show you 10 half double crochet stitches. We are almost done. There we complete our last stitch also. Okay, now we will join our first stitch and last stitch with the slip stitch, and our rosy cheek is done. Following similar pattern, you have to make another one also, exactly same. Okay, now pull that small end, free end of the yarn, pull it hard, so your middle gap is like packed completely. Following exactly same pattern, make one more circle, and like here I have placed a small pearl in the bottom of both earrings, and you need to definitely put a hook for that to convert it into a earring. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share, subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.